Now, Britain's inflation rate has cooled as expected, which has strengthened the case for an interest rate cut as early as next month. Official data even shows price pressures easing, but the wider economy remains fragile. Britain's annual inflation rate eased to 3% in the month of January, which was down from 3.4% in the month of December last year. According to the Office for National Statistics, says that the drop was driven partly by lower petrol prices, which helped push inflation to its lowest level since March last year, offering relief to household budgets. The data even supports guidance from the Bank of England that inflation should continue cooling towards its 2% target in the coming months. However, the economic picture still remains mixed. UK unemployment stands at a 5-year high of 5.2%, while wage growth has slowed in the private sector but remains elevated in public jobs. Prime Minister Keir Starmer's Labour Party the government has struggled to kickstart growth after raising taxes in 2 budgets. Official figures even show that the economy grew less than expected in late 2025.
You may have seen this morning that inflation has come down again, now to 3%, and it's scheduled to come down further. That will affect all of you, because that's not just a statistic. That is how much it costs to do things when you're in the supermarket, when you're filling up with petrol. All of these things are affected by inflation.
Speaking during a visit to South Wales, Starmer even said that falling inflation eases pressure on families as he announced $18.96 billion in rail investment for the region.
We are doing everything we can to alleviate that pressure, pulling as many levers as we can. Inflation's a big one, because if you get inflation down, it means that those prices are controlled and the bills that people worry about are reduced in terms of their impact. So it's really important that we've stabilised the economy.
Economists say that with growth weak and the labour market cooling, the Bank of England may feel increasingly comfortable cutting rates later this year, potentially starting as soon as next month, according to analysts at Quilter Cheviot.